Meet Christy, a full-time working mom of 2 young children, which definitely keeps life interesting and busy.
I'm always so busy. I'm a single, full-time working mom who travels a lot for their job. I have 2 kids, a 10-year-old Cole, a 7-year-old Avery, 1 dog, 4 cats, 7 hermit crabs. I know what a dirty house looks like. Literally within 10 minutes of cleaning, it's like a tornado has come through. There's toothpaste in the bathroom sink, there's fingerprints on the refrigerator. I don't even know what is dried on the kitchen counter. I know, in the back of my head, I'm always hearing my mom saying, "Christy, clean your house. Make sure you clean your house." So I'm always cleaning. And nowadays, more than ever, it's not just about keeping a clean house, but it's also about keeping a healthy house.
Meet Arlena, a cleaning specialist for Soft Scrub.
Keeping a clean home is vital to a healthy lifestyle. Just because you can't see germs doesn't mean they're not there. It's important to develop a deep cleaning routine for your home, one you can do only a couple times a month and not every day. Just like a skincare routine, home cleaning should consist of multiple products. Sprays and wipes can be good for a surface level clean, like a daily face wash, but abrasive cleaners, like Soft Scrub Cleanser with Bleach, provide a deep clean, like a weekly face scrub or a face mask.
Arlena, help. As you can see, I just redid my kitchen, which I absolutely love, and I adore my new counters. But how do I know that I'm actually cleaning the germs and bacteria, and I'm not just like covering them up?
For surfaces like sealed granite, it's really important to use gentle abrasive cleaners, like Soft Scrub Cleanser with Bleach. For flat surfaces, my favorite cleaning trick is to wipe in an S-shaped pattern. Instinctively, most people tend to wipe in circles, which just pushes the dirt around. Like they always say, clean with an S to make counters look their best. So here's a little tip for the bathroom. When you clean, always go from top to bottom. Let's say you start with the shower drain and then you move to the tile walls. All of the dirt you're wiping from the tile walls just drips right down to the shower drain. That shower drain that you just cleaned.
That doesn't make a lot of sense.
So here, I would start by using Soft Scrub Cleanser with Bleach on the mildew stains between the tiles, moving down to the mold stains around the drain, and then finishing with the drain. And the best part, when you're done, you can use the same Soft Scrub product on tough toilet stains.
That's great that you can use one cleaner on every surface in the bathroom. Okay, Arlena, any tips and tricks on cleaning this?
So the biggest mistake people make when it comes to outdoor furniture is not rinsing it first. If the chairs have been sitting outside, there's a layer of dust, dirt, and debris. I recommend rinsing that layer off first. Once rinsed, use an abrasive cleaner, like Soft Scrub, to really scrub away the remaining dirt and kill germs. Abrasive cleaners paired with these incredible cleaning tips are great for giving your home the deep clean it deserves. So here's one last tip for you. Make sure to pick the product that's truly right for the job. If you're focused on disinfecting hard surfaces or killing germs, grab Soft Scrub Cleanser with Bleach. If you're looking to tackle tough grease stains, you'll need Soft Scrub with Lemon. If stains like coffee, tea, and wine are your primary concern, Soft Scrub Oxy is your perfect cleaning partner.
Well, these look really good if I say so myself. I'm pretty proud of how clean they are. I cannot wait to show my mother.
Now even you can show her some of those cleaning tips.
I can, you're right.
For more information about Soft Scrub and their products, visit softscrub.com.